A, K. General, J, E, N. Time, T, M. Question, K, shon, or sound of ish. Organize, O, gay. Over, O. So the outline of over is written above the stroke. Okay, example, oversight, over, inden, sight, S, long I, T. Over, do, over, D, uu. Overcame, over, K, A, M. The sound of deaf, inden, diff. So by rounding off the angle between the letter D and then the letter F, we obtain the fluent blend of D, F. Okay, so example number 1, defy, deaf, long I. Defied, deaf, long I, D. Defeat, deaf, E, T. Define, deaf, long I, N. Next, definite. So, def, N-E-T. Defect, def, K-T. Differ, def, R. Different, def, R-E-N-T. This is another full blend of N and T. Difference, def, R-E-N-S. Okay, next is the sound of div, inden, dev. So it is the same with the sound of diff and then def. So combination of the sound of letter D and letter B. So the same we obtain the fluent blend. Example number 1, divide, dev, long I, D. Division, div, E, shon, or sound of ish. Dividend. So, div, combination of D and N, and then D, dividend. Develop, dev, E, L, P. Devote, dev, O, T. devotion, ish. Okay, next is the sound of E-A and then I-A. So, example number 1 from the sound of E-A, create. Okay, combination of K-R, sound of E-A-T. So, the sound of E-A and then the I-A, you need to put a dot inside the large circle. Next, area, A-R, sound of E-A, dot. Recreation, R-E-K-R, sound of E-A, then Sean. You need to put a dot inside a large circle. Appropriate, A-P-R-O-P-R, sound of I-A-T. Again, put a dot inside the circle for the sound of I and A. Piano. So, sound of I-A. P, sound of I-A, and O. Again, put a dot inside the circle. Brilliant. Combination of B and R. B-R-E-L. Sound of I-A-N-T. Another dot inside the circle. Next, initiate. E-N-E-ish. Sound of I-A-T. Again, put another dot. The similar words, drill. So do not confuse with these three, the same pronunciation, but then different meaning. The sound of two. Okay. T-O, this is the preposition, means in the direction of. I gave the book to K. I will go back to work on May 15, period. Next is the sound of to also, which is T-O-O. This means also or more than enough. I too have a college degree, period. Same pronunciation but then different meaning. Another sound of to, that is T-W-O. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay. I will need 2 days to finish the job, period.